welcome back to our channel.
Yes.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Tavo and I upload videos, a little bit of everything. Today I will be showing you how to do confetti eggs, which are cascarones. In Mexico, they're called cascarones. Cascarones. They're so fun to do and so fun to break on people's heads. So I will be showing you how to make them. Let's get started with the materials that we need. What the materials that you need, we need some eggshells. Basically what I did is just made a hole here, drain it all, just washed it and let it dry. Also, you'll be needing some school glue, some tissue paper. I cut them in squares. And if you want to paint them or dye them, also you need paint.
You want to dye them?
And I also need some confetti. Okay, let's get started. I'm just gonna put the confetti in there, just like so. I'm done putting the confetti in there. Now we're gonna get the glue. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna put it around the hole that we made. Alright, so we're just gonna put it around the hole that we made, and then we're just gonna place the tissue paper. We're gonna do green. We're gonna place it like so. Just like that, and made it covered. And then yeah, that's how you do it. Just let dry, and you're ready for Easter to crack some eggs. Good. You put it around the hole and then you just glue it. Alright, Ricardo, so what you're gonna do is just put the glue around the hole and then glue the tissue paper. There you go. Good job. What color do you want? We have pink, red, yellow, and green. Which one do you want?
Pink, red.
Red? Get a red one.
Because it has the same color as the egg.
Yep, that is really good.
Whoever gets this one and they break it on someone's head, the kid or girl, whoever gets this broken on is gonna get a bunch of confetti. I hope it's
You don't have to put a lot because it's gonna break. Just put a little bit. Don't do a lot.
I know it's gonna break, but when...
Alright guys, so this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. We enjoyed doing them, and I hope you guys subscribe down below where it says subscribe, comment, and also leave a like and follow me on my social media. Thanks for watching and turn off your notifications, right?
Yeah, I'm about to say that.
Alright, bye guys. We'll see you in the next video.
The bad news is...
Hey, yes!